Howdy, James here from Kicksamami, and I'm back doing the review. In front of me I have a pair of Adidas BAPE collaboration. This is the Sambas. These dropped a couple of weeks ago now, kind of out of nowhere. There was very little hype around them, very little release information. There was thoughts about it in regards to obviously the upcoming World Cup here in America, that they were going to be kind of coincide with that. Then all of a sudden, kind of a week later, they were on the confirmed app and multiple stores, Undefeated, Social Status, Sneakerpolitics, and all the kind of the regular ones. So essentially the capsule contained two Sambas, black pair and a white pair, and then also contained two soccer cleats, the Predators and the F50s, along with then kind of big Adidas inspired soccer jerseys and so forth. So kind of a cool collab, but again, kind of came out of nowhere. Was really kind of thinking more that it will come out closer to the World Cup, but it'll be interesting to see what they kind of have in store kind of come then. So I'm going to take them out of the box, we'll take a look at them, we'll see what you think. Okay, so it is. Here is the Adidas Samba collaboration with BAPE. A little different in terms of the silhouette. Obviously, you're going to get the branding first off that you're going to see straight off the bat. So obviously on one side, you're going to get that BAPE logo on the lateral side, and on the medial side, you're going to get the three stripes, which then alternates on the other shoe with the three stripes on the outer, and then the BAPE logo kind of on the middle. Something they've done with literally all their Adidas collabs, so kind of sticking true to form there. Then in the terms of the tongue is a little different to your regular Sambas that everybody's wearing. Kind of it's in between the style that you can flip over, the long tongue variation, and then the one that you're kind of seeing everybody wear, which is a little bit more true to the kind of Adidas logo on the tongue that was on the very first soccer cleats that kind of people were wearing. So kind of nice little touch there. And then it gets this interesting rubberized, reinforced toe box, which I'm not all too sure why. Kind of cool, but definitely just gives it a slightly different feel. Very firm, you know, so it's almost like toe capped. So yeah, a little different. And then you get the kind of dark brown, so it's not really a gum sole, looking more like a dark brown sole, which again is a little different compared to your kind of other white on white Sambas that get the slightly lighter gum sole, which is obviously a nice touch. So overall clean, comes with kind of BAPE's logo on the insole. Believe you only get one pair of laces. It comes with an extra pair of white laces, which are kind of like the thicker nylon, so less, well, just tougher. But other than that, they're kind of the same as the ones that are in it, I believe. I mean, as in color-wise, they're both white. Probably a bit more of a premium feel. Get these little solid metal toe caps on the edge of the laces, as opposed to just your regular little white plastic stuff. Other than that, yeah, so no color laces as such, but overall nice kind of little collab. Again, interesting in timing, but I'll definitely take some closer photos for you guys to kind of see the detailing on the shoe. But other than that, if you could please hit that subscribe button. Also follow me along on Instagram at Kicksamami. Really would appreciate it. Slowly getting to that 1,000 subscriber mark, so if you aren't subscribing, please do. And I'll be back again with another review soon.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living.